Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So as you understand, this is a very important topic and most relevant topic, and a student should know what is the respective placement policy, right? And this will actually help you prepare from the year 2 itself, right, during your engineering. So this is from one of the colleges in Bangalore, very well reputed college. So like placement policy is applicable to all students and recruiters. Recruiters are basically the companies which are willing to participate in placement. So this placement policy are made for students and the companies, right? And Department of HRD, Human Resource Development, within every college will conduct these placements, right? These placements can be physical, like in the room, or it can be virtual, right? Also online. And before this placement starts, right, every college will provide a good amount of training, grooming to students so that they can pass through the selection process. So you should not worry about anything. They will provide you all the necessary training before the placement start season. So now the first activity which happens is called the general registration at the HRD. So all the students who want to participate in the placement process, they have to register for the placements. It is not necessary that all the students will participate, because lot of students will go for the higher study. So but whosoever participates in the placements will have to provide all the details about their academic performance, skill, knowledge, personal information, communication addresses, email, contact details, etc. You have to first register for the placement. Second step is called the enrollment for the placements. Similar to what students do is called registration, what companies do is called enrollment. So every company who is interested to have one recruitment drive in any college, they first need to enroll with the college placement department, which is nothing called Department of Human Resource Development in most of the colleges, right? That, and they should provide the job description. Job description is also called the JD. So they have to provide JD with the details of the location, kind of type of work needs to be done, and also the type of salary package they are going to offer through this process, and how many students they are going to select to this campus approximately, and if there is any bond or any other information they want to provide. So once students have registered and companies have enrolled, the most important thing is the eligibility criteria, right? So one of the first will be like should have completed all academic requirements for degree programs, right? They are enrolled in. For example, they should do practical semester exams passing and everything which is required for particular branch or internships or any other things. Then they should have attained at least the minimum CGPA, which is required for attending the different type of companies interviews, right, or the placement drives. So some company will put 7 CGPA as minimum criteria, others will put 7.5, and some strict companies may put 8 as the CGPA to attend the particular placement drive. If you are not above 8, they will not allow. Some will allow up to 7, some will allow even 6.5, but most of the companies will look for the higher CGPAs. So it is better that you maintain a good CGPA. Next, you should not have any backlog. So meaning of backlog is that you should not have failed in any semester, or if you have failed, right, some students will allow the students who have backlog, but they should have cleared those backlogs by the time of 7th semester when placement season is starting. So some companies will not allow backlogs, some may allow. And then if they are looking for specific skill sets, then you should also have that skill set with certification and others. And the other one, which is a generic one, you should have a good communication skill, good English, and all those things are also very important apart from technical knowledge, right? Now placement category. So what are the different type of category of companies which will come? So first is the IT service oriented company, right, which are typically mass recruiters like Infosys, TCS, Wipro I mentioned. IT product company, which is like Cisco, SAP Software, Oracle, and other companies are like product oriented companies. Then there are core engineering companies. So engineering companies typically will take mechanical, civil, triple E, and the ECE students, and those companies are typically like Bosch, Honeywell, and all big manufacturing companies also like L&T, Tata Group, and others, right? And if you see, EC is the common between core companies will allow EC students, as well as IT services easily allows EC students. Now, fourth type of companies will be non-IT companies like marketing, banking, technical support, business development. Like you see, Baiju will take a student with a business development profile also from the engineering colleges. And this non-IT companies, everybody can appear, including CSC students and up to civil student. Everybody can appear for this placements. And then for MBA, specialization area jobs and MBA specialization area jobs are there based on their particular specialization. Now the package category, this will change from college to college, but each college will define its package category. So I'm talking about this college which is in Bangalore, and it's a mid-tier college, so they will have basic package also, something like between 2 to 4 lakhs plus. Then lower package which they call 5 to 6 lakhs plus, medium package they call it 7 to 8 lakhs plus, and higher package they call it 9 lakhs and above. So every college will have almost similar definitions, different tiers of packages. There are 4 tiers of packages. So now what will the placement policy will tell? So placement policy says that each student will be extended opportunity to get one lower package offer, one medium package offer, one higher package offer, and unlimited dream package offer. So what that means that if you have got one package between 2 to 4 lakhs plus the basic package which I mentioned in the previous sheet, then you cannot appear any other company in that range 2 to 4 lakhs, but you can get another package in the range of 5 to 6 lakhs plus, which is the next bracket. If you have got one medium package, then you cannot appear another medium package, but you can have get one more higher package which is 7 to 8 plus. And if you have one in that range, then you cannot appear again. You can get unlimited number of dream package. So you above 9 lakhs you can get many packages, you can as you want, as you can pass it. So one student can have one offer, two offer, three offer, four offer by this placement policy. And that means that once the student gets selected for a company, then she will not allowed to appear in the same package range companies, but they can appear for second or third offer for the higher package range offer. And next thing is that if you have got the higher package, for example 9 lakh package, then you cannot appear in a company of 7 lakh. If you have got 7 lakh package, then you cannot appear again the company of 4 lakh offers. So that is important. And all the colleges departments will say that they don't assure 100% placement for any student, right? So students, and if students are approaching any placement agency or going through placement agency for their placement, that it will be responsibility of their student and parents. And this is also very another important part, right? Many of the companies who are giving you good packages, they will sign an agreement, bond with you, right, which will give you commitment saying that for next 2 years you cannot leave the company, or next 3 years you cannot leave the company, and if you leave the company, then you will have to return some amount of money, or you are breaking the bond, right, or some guarantee. And this is typically the companies which are providing higher salaries. They want to you stick to the company, and so you should see the conditions of those. It will be displayed on your college notice board, and it is important that you understand that before applying, because it has lot of terms and conditions, and college will not be responsible for that. So you can understand this is from the SJB Institute of Technology in Bangalore, and this is what their placement policy is. I am covering similar policies will be there for all the colleges. Hope you had a good information, and thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get details on every part, and next video will be about internship policies. And take care. Bye.